If you want to change the DPI settings on a Nothing phone for A or for A Pro, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first method is very simple. You just have to go to Settings, then over here scroll down a little bit and go to Display Settings. And then in here we should be able to find the font and display size option. And here, as you adjust the display size, you of course also adjust the DPI settings. And the second option that allows you to adjust DPI precisely is by using developer options. So in settings we can go to About Phone, then choose Nothing OS, and once you open software info you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. Then you will see a message at the bottom of the phone, of the screen, that developer mode, that you are now a developer, essentially. So we can go back to settings again, choose system, and then here we can find developer options. Now we need to keep scrolling down until we find an option that is called smallest width. There we go. Now here we can provide a value, and the lower the value is, the bigger everything will be on the screen. So I believe 320 is going to be the limit, but I'm just going to type 300 just in case. And if I press OK, then you should be able to make everything much bigger. So yeah, the limit is 320. And the bigger the number is, everything is going to be smaller. The smaller the UI is going to be. So as you can see, we can make everything really, really small by providing high value. But you want to be really, really careful with these numbers, because if you provide like a really, really high number, it might be very difficult to use the phone. It might not even be usable, and it might be very difficult to revert those changes. So keep that in mind. Let's say I'm gonna just enter 450 here. And the easiest way to actually revert to one of the standard values is by going back to the display settings. So if we go to display again and reopen font and the display size, then we can just choose the standard size in here, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.